Right now at 7, a Goldsboro Superior Court judge charged with bribing an FBI agent. Tonight, WNCN is digging deeper into the case. Good evening. I'm Sharon Taswell.
And I'm Sean Maroney. Thanks for joining us. WNCN Investigates Jonathan Rodriguez is live in Goldsboro tonight with more on the case surrounding Judge Arnold Jones II. Jonathan?
Well, Sean, Judge Jones has served here in Wayne County since 2008. Today found himself on the other side of the bench in federal court. He's facing 3 federal charges. The U.S. Attorney's Office say he paid an FBI agent to illegally obtain someone else's text messages. Cameras aren't allowed inside the federal courthouse, and Judge Jones was able to sneak out before we could ask him any questions. We even tried a few addresses listed as his, with no luck. But the real story is in the indictment. It says earlier in October, Judge Jones asked an FBI agent to get copies of text message conversations. It doesn't say who the phone numbers belong to, but it does say they were, quote, just for him, and that they involved family. In order for even an FBI agent to get access to someone's text messages, they have to have a warrant from a criminal investigation. But according to the indictment, Judge Jones asked the agent to do it under the table, quote, without drawing attention. He said, this involves family, and I don't want anyone to know. People in his district aren't happy about it.
That's abuse of power right there. You shouldn't use your power to do things because people fear you or have that respect for you because you're a judge.
After the FBI agent got the messages, investigators say Judge Jones met him in a car and offered to pay him with a couple cases of beer, but later gave him $100 in cash. Documents show Judge Jones assured the FBI agent this would never get out.
It gives you like a lot of distrust in the justice system because it makes you feel like they'll go to any means if they want to arrest someone or put charges on someone. So yeah, it gives you an eerie feeling.
And if Judge Jones is convicted, he could face a maximum of 30 years in federal prison. Sean?
Well, Judge Jones has been on the bench since 2008. What happens to all of his cases, Jonathan?
You know, that's kind of up in the air. We talked to the administrative office of the courts. They say they're going to make sure they handle his cases, but there's only 2 people, if he's convicted, who can remove a judge. That's the North Carolina Supreme Court or the legislature, and it's up to the Judicial Standards Commission to actually do an investigation, and they can't comment on specific litigation. So we're going to have to check that out and see as any changes are made.
All right, Jonathan Rodriguez reporting Goldsboro tonight. Jonathan, thank you.